Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. Now I purchased two kits. They were both 20% off, and I wish I had known that DAC was coming out with the buy two get one free, and I would have waited one more week. But it was sort of kind of like getting one free because I cashed in my points and got $50 off, so I was pretty happy about that. But anyway, I did get this for 20% off, and from the last time I was on their site, they still have this available. So if you do like this one, which it's an older kit, but if you do like this one, make sure you get over there and get it while they have the sale going on. Okay, so as you can see, it has a blue stripe and it has the blue square. So it is a square canvas. And it is the biggest canvas. Well, this one and the other one that I bought are the biggest canvases I have ever purchased through Diamond Art Club. So these are going to be the biggest ones I've ever done. So on the back of the boxes, you can see that it shows you a step-by-step instructions. It shows you the kit contents. And what did I get, y'all? Y'all, I'm probably going to butcher this name, and I apologize. But I got, if I can put this in focus, I got Miss Havisham, and it is by Simona Candini. Is that correct? I don't know, y'all. Like I said, I'm sure I probably butchered this. And I am going to apologize also for my lighting. I do not have my overhead light on. I've just got my window open. So this is all natural light. But this is a square. And it is an 89 centimeter by 70 centimeters. And let's get into this. And I hope everybody's having a great day. I've actually had these kits for about a week, I guess, and I just haven't had time to sit down and do a video on it. So, and I'm hoping, and y'all know, if you follow my channel, you know that my desk is not very big. It's like an office desk, and it's glass, and I've just put this covering over it. But it has this lip, this like, for if you wanted to put your laptop or whatever up here. So it kind of takes up my space. And it's kind of hard to show bigger canvases. But I'm going to do my best. Well, and I'm not going to say I'm not a little disappointed, because I was kind of hoping to get one of the new toolkits, but I was sort of figured that I wouldn't get it with this one, because like I said, this is an older canvas, so I kind of figured it would come with the older kit. But anyway, that's all right. In the kit, you get your little sticker, and it has the name of the canvas, the name of the artist, and your dimensions. And you can put this in your logbook. You can put it on the end of your box. It's whatever you want to do. I put them in my logbook. Alright, so in the older kits, now I do know that they are switching over to the newer kits, but it's a process and it's going to take a minute. So, and like I said, that's okay. I will get one eventually. Alright, so in the kit, you're going to get a crap ton of baggies. Alright, I'm going to shove those back in there. You're going to get 2 of the heart wax, pink heart wax. You're going to get the good thin plastic white 4-placer. These are my favorite, as you know. You're going to get a blue squishy, the blue applicator pen, a pair of the pointy tweezers, and the clear tray with the spout. Okay. Let me shove that back in there. Alright, I'm going to move y'all a little bit. Alright, so let's open this up. Now, I've wanted this kit ever since it came out. It's just, you know, y'all know my love of mica. So, I didn't want to cheat on her, but there's other canvases that I do like other than micas. But mica is my favorite. And I've been trying to get all the micas I can get, but I could not pass up getting this. Alright, I'm going to have to let this kind of fall over the side of my desk until I can get it unrolled. Y'all, this sucker is huge. Alright, so you get your step-by-step instructions. It comes with a thank you, your instructions, and a code that you can use to get 10% off your next purchase. And a few tips and tricks. And you get that with every kit. It also comes with the big sticker. And it has the name of the canvas, which is the Miss Havisham by Simona Candini. It has the start date, end date, and the picture of what it's going to look like. And then it has your dimensions and all that down here. Alright, so it looks like it only comes with one AB, which is number 1, and it's 141. And I don't see anything else. So yeah, I guess it just comes with one AB. But I'm sure you can add other things. But look at this big honking bag of drills. Wow, that is a lot of drills. Alright, so I'm going to let this kind of relax for a minute, and we're going to look at these. I'm not going to call them out, and I'm going to go quite fast on this. Sorry about all the noise. Oh, wow. Okay, well, we'll just start with this little bag. Man, I really hope y'all can see this with the light. Alright, so here's the smallest bag of the drills. Alright. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like we have got, well, you know dang good and well that they ain't just one bag of 3/10. But, alright, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 33.71. Alright, looks like we've got 2 bags of the 38.64. 2 bags of 37.55. 2 bags of 38.61. 2 bags of the 38.60. Like I said, I'm going to go through these quite quickly. You got 2 bags of the 322s. Alright, that's one strip. Keep in mind, we found 1 bag of 310s. Alright. So here's 33.25. Looks like we have 2 bags of 413. Alright, there's the AB, the 141. And as you can see, it's like a white iridescent. Alright. There's a strip. Alright. Here we go again. Alright. Man, I hope y'all can see this. I thought the lighting would be better with it being natural light than to have my overhead light on, but I'm rethinking the process here. Alright, so these are full bags, but they're all different. But you got 2 bags of 898, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of the 938, and now here comes the 310. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other bag makes 6. So 6 bags of 310s. And did I already show these? 2 bags of the 334s. 2 bags of $37.99. Okay. Alright. I'm going to pause, put these things, or I'm going to try to put these things back in the bag. And I'll be right back. Okay. So that took me a few minutes. Only a split second for y'all. But while I had y'all on pause, I shut my window blinds and turned my overhead light on. So hopefully you'll be able to see this just a tad bit better. So now I'm going to try to get this thing turned around and hopefully y'all can see. Alright, so on the top of Diamond Art Club's canvases, it says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club." And it has these scalloped edges to keep the canvases from fraying. It does have this little velvety, I don't remember what this is particularly called, but it's a velvety, soft canvas. Alright, so I'm going to bring this over here this way. Y'all, this sucker is freaking huge. Alright, so they have the schematic over on the top left and again over here on the bottom right. And the schematic is pretty big. You can see it quite well. Now, on the bottom of the canvas, you have the thumbnail, the name of the artist, the dimensions, and the name of the canvas and Diamond Art Club. In the middle, you have their social media. And if I can get this turned over, you've got down here on the bottom right, you have got their support and their guarantee. Okay, so y'all, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, I have wanted this sucker ever since it came out. And I think it's been out for a year now, maybe a little less, but it's been a minute. So it is so detailed, y'all. Now, I do know that the number ones, let me see. I was thinking the AB is the 1. Now, I do know that a lot of people have been putting glow-in-the-dark drills in this little green area. But let me see. Where are the ones? Where's the ones? Where's the ones? Alright, there are some ones. I'm going to bring y'all down so y'all can see, hopefully. Alright, so there are ones in the chandelier. It's going to be just kind of scattered in the chandelier. Then there are ones in the veil that kind of outlines the veil. In her dress. Over here in these candles. And then there's some just kind of scattered in here and there. And let me fold this up just a little. Alright. There's a couple in the eyes. And there's a couple there. And the mice, the eyes of the mice. But y'all, if y'all are really good at adding stuff, you know, ABs and the different drills, y'all this could really be blinged up. Like I said, I do know that a lot of people have been putting the glow in the dark around the crow. And the drill field, of course, is excellent. Absolute gorgeous. Alright, I'm going to bring y'all back up. And we're going to look at this. So you got the chandelier, and there's pictures on the walls. And then you get the bride, the candelabra. Looks like, I don't know if those are bottles or I'm not sure what those are. Maybe candlesticks. I don't know, but that, y'all, this is going to sound stupid, but that looks like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. But I don't think that's what that is. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Then you got this girl. And then you got a picture of a woman here. Then you got the skeleton, the crow. The skeleton is playing the piano. So he's got his sheet music. There's a mouse. There's a mouse. I guess that's a microphone. The mouse is singing in it. I don't know, y'all. And then this mouse and this mouse. They've got something on them. I'm not real sure. And then, is this an owl? Is that what that is? But yeah, I love this. I really do. Gorgeous. Like I said, I hate cheating on Micah. But there are tons and tons and tons of canvases that I love. But she is my favorite. But I've wanted this one, like I said, ever since I've seen it. So, alright, y'all. I know this was just a quickie, but I wanted to get it unboxed and let y'all see it. I know it's an older canvas. And I'm sure you've all seen it before, but, you know, it doesn't matter. You might have seen it. Somebody else might have unboxed it and you seen it and was like, ugh. And then, you know, somebody else unbox it and you look at it and say, ooh, yeah, I do want that. So, anyway, y'all, you best run over and get it while it's 20% off. So, alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing in this video. And don't forget that I do have my Etsy shop. And it's called Just Minder Business. And all the links to this, to my shop, everything will be in my description box. So, hope everybody has a great day. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye.